Hi, everybody. It's Wednesday today. It's a nice day. It's a blessed day, isn't it? Yes, it is. Wow. Nice. Let me show you something here. Hold on. I can't. I really can't. Hold on. See it there? It looks nice. Yeah. There's sun over there, too. The sun. Yeah. Means we're still alive and we're blessed. What does that tell you? God is good. You're breathing. We're breathing. Anyways, yeah, it has some issues. Family issues. Yes. Well, the purpose of this here is family issues that I have. Nobody wins, only God does. Yes. But the most important thing is almost Easter Sunday. Easter Sunday, which means that's the resurrection of Jesus. Yes. A lot of people question that, but you shouldn't be questioning it. You shouldn't. You have family issues. Well, take care of them. By means educate yourself with those things. Don't be mean to your loved ones. No, just be nice. Respect each other and respect your elders as they did you as you were growing up. So now it's your turn to take care of them, which is our elders. Yes, I'm kind of living it. I am. I'm 51. I'm gonna be 52 years old. Yes, I am. Just remember this day. Friday is Passover. It is. Sunday is Easter. That's when Jesus resurrected. The third day. Hope you all know. Educate yourselves about this kind of things here, because these things are important, not just to one, to all, the whole world. Yes. Well, just saying it. I'm only human too. I am human. But as you know, God is huge. He will bless people. I got emergency. I mean, not emergency. I got a delivery. Yes, I'm back. It's just a little delivery. But like I was saying, yeah, work things out. Yes, you do. Work things out. Life is not easy. It's not. Just work things out with your family. That's all we have, and that's all you'll have for the rest of your life. Yes, work it out. Well, like and subscribe, people. See y'all later. Adios.